Welcome to CAD Concept. Today we are going to explore ZWCAD 2024 version. If you are not familiar with ZWCAD, then you are great welcome. We'll explore from the very beginning ZWCAD 2024 10 unique features. Well, in this tutorial, I will let you 10 best possibility beyond AutoCAD with ZWCAD, how you can simply enhance, how you can simply integrate your work. Must watch out completely, you will get valuable insight. Let's begin. Number 1. QR code. I want to generate QR code. Let this QR command. Dialog box will open. Provide here content. Okay. Let this drawing must be approved as soon as possible. For the reference, I want to generate QR code with this content. Okay. I can provide here tolerance, version, proportion, further detail. For now, let this drawing required approval as soon as possible. This is okay. Generate QR. Just click generate QR code. Okay. Now you are getting here. You see this QR code generated with your drawing. So this feature you can utilize in many ways. Okay. So this will give the access reference how you can generate QR code in your drawing. To provide some confidential information, you can simply create QR code, something like this. Number 2, well, barcode. I want to create barcode. Simply barcode command. Provide here content as it is. Okay. I will provide let this CAD only. Just click here. This way you can simply create barcode. This feature will access you for your product identification very simply. As you can see here, in one time I can create QR code, barcode also. Number 3, total length. This much line we have. I want to take it out. Total length in one time. Okay. For this complete lines as it is, I will take command line sum. Okay. Select all. Just enter one time. After that, you see here over the corner 63 object found, line selection or polylines total and total length. I will copy for the reference. So I am getting 63 object with line or polyline and total length 468.594. Number 4, text order. Well, you see here this numbers we have. I want to arrange with order this irregular number. Let this T count. Okay. What you have to do, press F one time. After that, just override with your straight ortho mode like this. So it is surpassing your line with text. This is okay. Just enter one time. After that, as usual, select order. Okay. Step increment. Let this 1:1 override. Well, you see here, number of increment initiated as per your surpassing lines over the numbers very smoothly. Number 5, flatten. I want to flatten this complete drawing with 0 axis. If I will take 3D orbit, we are not getting 0 level. There is Z axis up and down. If I will take property, there is lot of variation with Z axis. So in this case, how you will let this Z axis also 0, 0 and the main thing in one time. We will see very smoothly. I will take command flatten. Just select all, enter one time and let this again remove hidden lines if there no. Now I will take 3D orbit. We are getting complete flatten. Our Z axis got 0, 0. So this problem I face personally when I create building design, mostly huge drawing. There is a possibility with multiple drawings and with multiple PC, when we open same drawing with multiple PC, then this problem I face personally. And this feature will let me starting ang z-axis 0, 0 in one time. Number 6, add numbers. Multi-text we have. I want to add numbers with each multi-text. Same tcount command. Okay. What you have to do, just select all. After that, press enter. Let this y-axis. Now, provide here prefix. Well, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, whatever serial numbers you are getting in one time. Number 7, dimension line. When we provide usually quick dimension without any customization, we are not getting that line. I want that line. Let this dim SBX command. Select your dimension. Enter one time. Default add or erase. Let this add. Well, this way you can add end-to-end dimension with the base point. Number 8, text align. Well, when I calculate area statement, some points, some details, text not in one place. I want to align in one time. Let this txt align command. Okay. Select all. Okay. Just enter one time. Left or right or middle. Choose your option. Alignment option. I will let this here middle. This is okay. And just click over the screen. Well, you are getting in one frame your complete text got aligned. Same as it is, left or right. It depends on your requirement. Let this here. Same as it is, I want right. Let this select all, enter one time. Let this right. And just click over the screen. This way you can align your entire multi-text in one time. Very smoothly, very quickly. Number 9, break line. I want to break line. Means I want to create break line. Break line command. Straight one to another end. Well, you see here. Just let this middle. Same as this. Let this straight line one to another end and provide midpoints. This way you can create break line almost in no time. Well, here also let this ortho mode off and I can provide with base point by dragging also. And if I want to provide midpoint, I can provide over the midpoint also and by dragging also. Number 10, text fit. In case for sheet title mostly, I have fixed box and I want to insert with fixed scale text. Let this text fit command and just select your text. After that, stretch up to where you want. As you can see here, height is same as this, but your text got stretched with exact box size. So by text fit command you can stretch your text with no height change, something like this, very quickly. I hope you got this 10 powerful, productive, unique 2024 ZWCAD feature more useful, more inspiring. Well, must take a try. In case if you are not familiar with ZWCAD, this is professional edition. I hope you got this video helpful. In case if you are interested to know more about ZWCAD tips and tricks, let me in the comment section. I will definitely reply your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.